You loving me if we come home. Hey! Well, laugh. You loving me if we come home. Why are you alone? Hopefully this is not your fault by me, you know?
Give it time to work.
Yeah, me take off the Wi-Fi. Yeah, me take off the Wi-Fi. Huh?
Was it strong?
It's wrong. Yeah, open and walk up in the traffic.
Going through Atlanta, must walk traffic.
Yeah. Must. Well, now you give a wish by yak, yeah?
Going through Atlanta.
Oh, going through. Oh.
And you see by you to buy, you must late night, you must go to Atlanta.
Right.
Yeah.
Hello, my people. How y'all doing? Yes, it's your girl's birthday. It's your girl's birthday. And I've been kidnapped by Tuff Crackers. Tuff Crackers kidnapped me. Let me know if you can't see me good.
That's it.
What?
What's the missing turn?
Oh, don't fly, huh? Thank you, guys. Thank you, Sharon. Thank you, Yolanda. Thank you, Cher, Camille, Kelly, Andrea, Koya. I hope I said Miss Cece. Thank you, Kelly. Esben. Thank you. I'm trying to read. They're going so fast. Keisha, Jody. Thank you, everybody. Thank you guys so much for their birthday wishes. I am so grateful to live to see another birthday. So many people have been deprived this opportunity. Yes, and I realize that, so I am extremely grateful. Yes, so Tuff Crackers, Tuff Crackers kidnapped me. And said this morning he got up and he said he gave me a dress and a shoes, and he said that pack a bag, an overnight bag, I am taking you somewhere. So right now I'm driving. I have no idea where he's taking me. So he said it's gonna be good, and whatever it is, I'm grateful for it. Yes, I'm grateful. I am grateful for every little thing. Thank you guys so much. The love is so overwhelming. You know, I came on Facebook. I never knew that I would have met so many wonderful and amazing people. And you guys have shown me so much love, and I appreciate it. I take nothing for granted. I hope I can continue to entertain you guys and to be the true version of who I am. Yes, I'm never gonna change, because even this morning when Tuff Crackers gave me the shoes and the dress, you know, someone said to me, you should have gone live. And I said, I cannot go live because it happened off of live. So there's no way I'm going to rewrap the dress and the shoes to come on live and pretend. I don't ever want to pretend to be something I'm not. Because it wouldn't be real, and I wouldn't enjoy my day because I know somebody do something fake. You understand? So I couldn't do that. You guys just have to trust what I told you. And then later on when I put on my dress, I will show you guys the dress and the shoes that he gave me. Yes, thank you guys. Thank you, Willa. Thank you so much. Thank you. So as I can see, I'm entering into the city of Atlanta. So I don't know. Am I going through Atlanta, Tuff Crackers? Because you know, no matter take me too far, what Bringo can't find me. You understand? Yeah. I want to tell Bringo.
Relax, I enjoy it.
I want to tell just relax, right?
Yeah, relax.
All right. Make hard for relax, yeah? Yeah, me hard for relax. I'm hard for impress, though.
Yeah.
Extremely hard.
That's for sure.
Extreme. I am grateful, but you know, impressed, me no know. So we'll see. We're gonna show no, and we'll show no the dress that he gave to me and the shoes this morning. Thank you, Vanilla, so much. I saw your post. That was beautiful. I don't have words. Thank you for finding a great friend in me, or seeing a great friend in me and a sister in me. I share the same sentiments. Yeah. So thank you so much, and thank you everybody for the birthday shout out. Yeah, man. Me a Christmas Eve girl. They're Jamaica. Every Christmas Eve, me think about Grand Market. Yeah. Yes, I wish me there Grand Market. Me go look a while, go put on some fakies. You see, wanna see it? Yeah. Wanna see that? Yeah. Me go put on some lashes. and becoming not used to them. Me keep seeing like the shadow of them. And every minute me like a what that, yeah? You're coming into a pump. Said I enjoy my Val, big up yourself, enjoy my big up yourself, Marlene, big up yourself, Vivian. Yeah. So we enter the city. Uno want to see. Uno know Atlanta. Yeah. I don't know if we are got you or we are going to the city. Yeah.
Make a quick stop and pick up something.
Yeah. Every minute me say a shadow. As I work, people, me gonna get used to it by tonight. Wanna tell me I'm gonna get used to it by tonight? Me want box off me yard. Everybody me want lick off me yard. Me a few members say me go get eyelash. Every minute me want box it, so because you know subconsciously me just see shadow and me want lick you. Oh, I lick you off of my face. I hope me no box my face tonight and nobody look at me all crazy and say, oh, I'm to this a woman here. This a mad woman here lick off her face. No, sir. Because me with there all of a sudden, me I look up and me see shadow and me want to go so. Like, God help me tonight. Help me. And one other time me ever put it on, guys, I'm going to think them and do it right. And it irritate my eyes. So me take it off. Me take it off. I miss not when it irritate me, I miss a God. If you not make me blind, me promise you, me will never put them on again. And me go against God, go put them on today. Yeah? And every minute me want box myself, me want lick me eye, cause me keep seeing a shadow. So no better tell me so me I go used to it by later on. Cause me I go box off myself. Yeah? No. And really, guys, me did plan for come on tonight because me like for share upon my birthday, and me don't come give away some credits tonight because me have no idea. Say, Mikey don't kidnap me, Tuff Crackers. So me did a plan for come. Oi! The phone dropped. Oh, hold on, the people, it dropped. Oi, hold on. Only open a room. Oh, I can't rotate. What am I talking about? Oh, me I try get it back. Bear with me. We're in a city, guys. And the road bumpy. Oh.
It's a bumpy road.
It's a bumpy road, yeah, a bumpy. So that's why it drop out. I sitting no good. 1 out of 2. It's sitting no good. Okay. Yes, guys, so what me did I say? Oh, me don't come on. Cause me like give away something for my birthday, so me don't come on come give away credit. So me did think say they made a plan one party for me at the house. Because me see Vanilla kind of move shady. You know? So me I said nothing more on. Them a plan some kind of party for me. So when them plan a party for me, them all probably want to get me out. And that me a thinking in my head, you know. Them all probably want to get me out. Me not have no problem. Me just like pretend with it. And go like me no know so them a plan me a party. And then me go come and come give her credit. But then come forget realize wake up this morning. Pack your bag. I mean no enough for me I go. Me know some need to go out of the country. Cause we plan vacation for next month. So me want me curious. We in a city, so which part in a city you bring me? Which bar?
I make a stop it, that's it.
You're gonna make a stop for what?
Something.
For where? Where? Where's
here.
this?
Eh?
Where's this?
This is a quick stop.
Quick stop for what? I don't want to see me no fast. Me no fast, no. Me no want to see which bar I bring me do. Me want to sit. So if Bringler look for me and can't find me, I don't know which part to come rescue me for Bringer. You hear? Yes, because Master Baker inside, you know. I just a face me not have today. Yeah, but me have an attitude. Me have an attitude. Yeah, me have an attitude. I'll be don't talk. Some with there one stoplight. With their stoplight. What around here? With that Fox Theater there, sir. I don't want to see. I don't put out some art if I don't want to see city. Yeah? Me will turn it round. If you're not tired for look for me. I don't see good door, right? if you're not tired for look for me, I'm a fakies. Tell me if you turn it round. Alright, me I go turn it round. I'm not terribly, man. I'm a birthday and I want me turn around the damn camera. Boy, me should have did bait me keep them and sell them to her. Make a wall out on have diarrhea. Yeah. A wall out on her. Yeah. Me should have did fall sick and sell on her cake. So wall out on have diarrhea. Yeah. No one can talk about turn around the camera. Alright.
I'm not sure if I have something.
Me turn it around. Yeah. Next year now pass, I'm gonna sell it to her. Make a wall out on have diarrhea. I want diarrhea wall out on in a traffic. Yeah, in a traffic. On too bad. On too bad. Alright, me turn around. Hopefully me not drop. Me click sitting around you now. Where you go? Under this? I saw where you go?
Trying to figure out.
If me don't know where you go, so me don't know. Because this don't look like me don't know which part is. Me turn around the camera.
Hold on, man.
Okay.
Figure out this is.
Hold on, touch this to me now. Because my nails them bother me.
Eh?
So me gotta find out now which part where I go because you lost. Yeah, you know. Me gotta find out because you lost.
How you been? This is the Marriott, man?
Nah, this is the Westin. Y'all trying to get to the Marriott?
Yeah.
Got you. That's a little further down. Y'all need to just come out and go past this light and make a right at the next one.
Go back down that way?
Yeah, go down here, go to the next light, past this one, turn right, and go down a little further, and you'll see it right there.
Him not remember nothing when time we come out of here. Nothing. Nothing.
Okay, thank you.
Nothing. Nothing in there. You can't turn around. We're in our garage, so I have to go spin around. Yeah. No. Oh my God. Me I gotta turn it around once we reach outside. In our garage.
Hold on.
Just tell me which way you go. Me probably can't help you because I know in a city.
Ritz-Carlton.
Ritz-Carlton?
Oh,
what my chemical hotel go do?
Let me ask.
Pamela.
We're going to the Ritz-Ski.
Oh, the Ritz-Carlton. That's where he's taking me. Oh my God. And he's lost. That's the only reason why me find out where me I go. Him lost. I'm about to blow up his surprise. He lost. Oh my God, you lost.
I ain't never come down here before.
Well, that's nice. That's beautiful. It's the Ritz-Carlton. Okay, let me turn this around. Can you press that for me, darling? Press this one for turn it.
This one?
Yeah, that one. Here you go. Okay, that one.
No.
Oh my God. Him lost, so I have to blow him own surprise. No, sir.
No, man.
No, sir. Leave it to on a Jamaican. And once you drive out now, you no remember where man tell you to go. Because first of all, me hear you tell him the Marriott.
No, that's time I go and work and ask him.
Oh, because me say, okay, yeah, me hear you say something about Marriott. So, you don't end up a Marriott and a Ritz-Carlton, you go. No, sir. What wrong with Uno and direction?
We'll get it. We get it.
Make sure you're not turn pan the one way. No, sir.
We'll get it.
Yes. So, Tuff Crackers kidnapped me. Marcia, thank you, Marcia. Thank you, Karen. Thank you, Gemini. I want to say happy birthday also to my beautiful sisters on social media. Michelle Ladonna. Happy belated birthday, Chit Chat TV. Happy belated birthday, and Anik. Yes, happy belated birthday. I hope you guys had a wonderful birthday, and to everyone that's sharing December birthday with me, or today as a birthday, happy birthday. Okay, here's the Hard Rock, and I say okay. Hopefully I can see. And it's not blurry. Is it blurry, guys? Are you guys seeing all right? Okay, we're going past the Westin. All right. Yeah. Stacy, thank you. Thank you, Dion. Thank you, Valerie. Thank you, Pamela. Oh, Pamela, it's the 31st. Happy birthday, Pamela. Thank you, Pauline. Thank you so much. I'm trying to read the comments here.
There we go.
Oh, here we go. Let me show them in final turn. In finally. Oh, he's doing. Where's the valet parking? Okay. Okay. Right here. So we're turning in. He found it. Yeah. He found it, guys. Yes, so we pulled up, guys, to the Ritz-Carlton, and I don't know what the plans are for later, but it's supposed to be good because I was handed a beautiful dress. Yes. Oh.
Good evening, welcome.
Good evening, thank you.
How are you?
Thank you. Yes, guys, so we're here.
Welcome in, guys. How are you?
Thank you, man. No
We're
problem.
here.
I'm good, man.
There's Tuff Crackers.
Michael Daly.
Welcome in, Mr. Daly.
Thank you.
There he is. There's Tuff Crackers. And I think we should have get Tuff Crackers a little thing, and I'm a birthday. And I think we should have give him for carry me down. What I think? A little thing, like a birthday blessing.
No, you keep that one.
Wanna tell me? Wanna tell me? I told me I couldn't. Ellen, thank you. Oh my God. You think that's why I'm bringing me down here? Yeah, you think so? Do. Now set up. You want to take me away from bringing? I set up. Me feel like I set up. Yeah.
You want to take your jacket?
Yeah. Yeah. You can take my jacket. Yeah. All right, guys. Make a show now in there. Well. Oh, put it in the suitcase for me. Just unzip and put it in. Yeah. But put on my backpack. Make a show now. Show now in there. I try not to alright. Oh. Yeah. Okay. Them noise. Them customer service noise so far. Yeah, the customer service off the tree.
Inside to your left.
Okay. Alright, let me turn around so I can see. Thank you. See, it's the Ritz. inside. And to our left. So we gotta check in, guys. It's gorgeous in here. It's beautiful in here, guys. I'm on live. I'm just showing them. Yeah, it's beautiful. It's fabulous. We don't want to be vulgar, so we have to whisper. How we look around, how we are on the, let me see, you seen a black somebody? No. So we don't want to be vulgar, you know. Then look how we are crazy, yeah. Be like locks. And come up in here loudly. Oh, there's Santa. There's Santa. Santa look like he wants some food. Santa look like he lose weight. And him pants get short. Look like Santa. Then take him measurement in the water. Santa, is he? Oh, him have a big belly and him a Santa. Huh? Yeah. What kind of anorexic looking Santa this? Watch him, watch him. Me not look like me can sit down and feed me. With a broken knee. Oh, black people working. Yeah, me just want to show now. It's gorgeous. It's beautiful. Yeah. People, them in look stuck up though. Me not ask. So our next Santa sit down there, sir. Come like a place full up of Santa. The people I'm tighty up in there come like they can't even cough. No sir. No sir. You better we need go down a grand market to back to Rasta. Oh, what they want here? I don't know. Them have a little gingerbread house. See the gingerbread house. Because if me go up a grand market, we could have Lego in people. Don't know if it's style though. Yeah man, we could have Lego. A pandemic Santa here. Santa lose weight over the pandemic. Yeah, so apparently we're gonna go down here so at the elevator. Yeah. It's nice in here. So no man, you know if me go grand market. Yeah, beer things. Could I grab 2 bottles of red label wine, 1 NSC. And you don't know things that already. But coming here, so come like me can't even cough loud. No sir. Yeah. No wonder I'm buy me that dress there. Because I couldn't come down here in a no batty rider. That escort me out. Yeah. I'll be like, excuse me ma'am, you're in the wrong place. No sir. You don't look like me you're in a peanut cart tonight at all. You know when you got a grand market I hear a peanut cart. I don't hear that here so tonight, no sir. I don't hear no peanut cart. No jerk, I don't see no jerk pan or smoke up. None of that now go on. Come like I saw tighty business where I have to really use my knife and fork. You know, come like a plastic fork either. No sir. A real China business I gotta take place there so today. Lord please, now make me drop my meat. Oh, she all wine. Same thing. You see what I talk about, people? You see what I talk about? And a plastic cup of backside. See, a glass, a real glass too. You hear that? Shit. I have to be a lady for my birthday. You know, the kind of lady where you sit down and make sure your legs them close. Yeah, my legs them have to go cross wherever I sit down today. Yes. I have to go sit up straight. You know, me can't just drop back like a man, so I have to go have some manners in here today. And them manners at the place. If me I go show now, when I show, I have to go show from the room. I can't come down here. I can't know, so I will get brawling and get overly excited. I love God. Lord. You all of them that turn around look for me. Everybody got turn around look for me. If me ever come down here, can talk about say me want show now. Yeah, no sir. Oh, you finished? Where we going? What floor? Thank you. See? What kind of floor? Which floor?
21st.
21st? Rotted World, 21st. 21st. Where go? You ever hear that? Sit at 21st. Me have to go behave myself up there. Anything them push me out. When the 21st. Look if not see nobody look like me. Should I bring vanilla? Say vanilla cousin there, vanilla brother, vanilla grandfather, yes, vanilla uncle, yeah. Me and vanilla related and be nice to me, yeah. Yes, they don't look for me. A reception here, and I say she's not used to nothing. Watch her with the video camera. See? Yeah. Fully glass out, you see? At them something. Oh, press it. What we got? 21? 24?
Yeah.
Oh, 24?
21st.
21st. So why you not pressing? Because I have
I have everything.
Okay. So I could just stand up in here now, like going here pretty. We not have to come out. And now do it. Me I press you and now I go. I show pretty. I could just stand in here now. Oh. They might have Grand Market down here.
I don't know.
They now move. We're still there lobby. $21st right there.
I guess it's supposed to be going now.
Man, come out of this. Yeah? Come out of this. Because this here don't look like it a move. See, we still are stuck a lobby in our move. So what you want with those stuck? Make us sit down in here then.
I don't know what.
Alright. We're going to stay in an elevator because I can at least talk loud in here. Oh. Now look like I can't talk loud out there, sir. I have to use my inner voice. Yeah. Yeah. Guys, we're in the, this is where it's happening, right? Yeah, the Ritz-Carlton inside the elevator. It's not moving. Open the door, just open up back the door. And I could try the other elevator. You see what I talk about? I become out there showing all kind of things, then lock way up in an elevator. Yeah. 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 Then trap with that elevator. Then trap with that elevator. we trap in that elevator. We trap in. All you have to do is press lobby. But this crap ain't move. Oh, here we go. Let's go on this one. Come, me and all of you. I didn't do it on purpose. Throw me out there, Ash. There's something wrong, man. There's something wrong. That time I said elevator, you have to use stairs, go up. It's not going up. It's not working. Come, Mike. Oh, yeah, this one. Hurry up. The one here work. I don't think you can take the elevator up. I think you can only take it.
I asked him about it and he said
It's not moving. Then no one will go up there. It's not going up. It's not going up. When I press, yeah. Missy people will look for me. Oh, okay.
just swipe the key. Oh,
Yeah, you have to
okay.
swipe the key.
All right. Thank you.
Okay. All right, swipe.
Thank you.
People, you see? Me telling you, say, you have to swipe the key. Swipe the key. There you go. Press it now. People, we have to swipe key.
Girl.
You see? We have to swipe key. And then I tell we nothing about swiping the damn key. Why we need for swipe key? Eh? Eh?
The lady said that's how they keep the riffraff out.
That's how they keep your riffraff out? No. Them a throw word. And me them a talk. And me them a chat. Yeah. Rotted. We're out. Freedom. Alright. And me them, me want to keep up with the people.
No, we're going to
Why number room?
2118.
2118. People, every hotel I go, you just press the damn button and it go up. Yeah? Why them have to be so extra?
2118.
Why them have to be so damn extra? You ever seen nothing like that? Eh? They want to keep riffraff out. They not slap one band on your rotted. They not slap one band on your wrist. Eh? Why them have to be so extra? See room here, people. Oh, well, like them. Rotted. God, that's beautiful. Oh my God. That is beautiful. You see that, guys? That is beautiful. Lights. You coming like me drunk already, you know, not tell nobody, people. Or no, don't tell nobody. Me did that drink. Oh, the lights are here. We'll turn on the lights so I can't see it. Yeah. It's beautiful, guys. Look at that. That's awesome. That's nice. Thank you, baby. Thank you.
Let me take this off so I can get a kiss.
Thank you. Let's see the view. Let me see if I'm giving a good view. That's what I always look for. Oh, it's the city view, guys. Yeah, it's probably... Yeah, I'll wait till later when you can see it. It's pretty. Oh, the sun out there bad like a yaz. Yeah, but tonight I'll show you guys when the city lights up. It's gorgeous. Oh, thank you, babes. This is so nice of you.
Like it?
Yeah, I love it.
Happy birthday.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Biscuit. I think I might cheat on things already. I cheat on Bringo. What? What is that? What is that? Let me see what it said. About Bringo. Thank you, Lakeisha. Guys, me I try to see as many names as I can. JJ St. Anne's. Tuff Crackers. Magda. Big up yourself. Andrea. Catherine. Soji. Big up yourself, Soji. Saji. God almighty, me tell us something that you wanna sit with me, yeah? Wanna sit with me. Wanna sit with me, man. Wanna must can't sit with me on my birthday. God. Shireen. Thank you. Because you can't go upstairs unless you're a guest. You know, so me know that, Shireen. All that was yeah, me know. Me know all of that. All of that was just an act. But me know me good like that. Yeah, see, better. So, oh, beautiful. So me alone asleep on that tonight. Yeah? Tuff Crackers, you sleep over there, sir. Yeah, you go over there, sir. Yeah?
No problem.
Coach
is out, man.
Yeah. Yeah. Over there, sir, you are go. Yeah. Cause me I left over here, so for bring you say Mac take it plane and come. Yeah. Yeah. Shelly, thank you. They say I have an amazing husband. Thank you, Leah. Come here. You guys.
Sorry for getting lost.
Yeah. Fire, big up yourself, Fire. Big up yourself. If you're on here, Vanilla, big up yourself. The comments are going super fast. Yeah. So guys, I'm gonna come back later and show you guys the dress that Tuff Crackers got me when we all dressed up, because I heard we have dinner reservation. I love you guys and thank you so much for putting up with my craziness. Yes. Thank you all guys so much for putting up with my craziness. I love you guys. Thank you. Happy birthday to everybody celebrating a birthday with me. Happy birthday. I hope you have the best birthday ever. All right. No matter what it is, we just have to give God thanks because we're alive. And once we're alive, there's always possibilities. All right. Endless possibilities. God bless you guys. I love you. And there's absolutely nothing you can do about it. Have a wonderful night. Me I go see you now when me have to take time walk later. When me have to take time talk. Yeah, I'm have to act like, you know, and hold a wine glass like this. All right, guys, love you. Yes, chocolate and vanilla. Vanilla, you're on here. Love you, girl. All right. See you guys later. Bye-bye.